Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Ferrari in the shop, our first Ferrari, getting a Valvetronic exhaust. So this exhaust is all titanium. As always, Valvetronic, a valve setup, so you'll be able to choose, do you want this thing full tilt or quiet, since it does have two mufflers.
So before we get started putting the new exhaust on, let's get some clips of this one so we can have some good reference on before and after. What's currently on there is just downpipes and pretty much a straight pipe setup configuration of the stock exhaust that's just been kind of chopped up in various places and ran out to the bumper. So
extremely loud.